Okay, I'll give you a minute to get over, get some Kleenex and wipe your eyes after that intro. But here's the new mower. I've mowed with it twice. The old one took me about an hour to mow the yard, and this one, it takes the same amount of time, same size. It ended up with 2 bars of battery life left after mowing. But so far it's been, it's done good, but the grass is still pretty thin. So let me see if I can show you how this thing works somewhat. Slap the battery in. Come here. Put your key in. And you're ready to mow. Let's see. You gotta hold that and then pull this. It's that easy. I've been using the bagger attachment on it, but it does have some other attachments for mulching and for side discharge. And like I said in the beginning of the video, there's a lot of things you can't do with it, but so far I'm pretty pleased with it. I'll show you the working end of it. Don't have to worry about spilling any gas or oil. There you go. And I guess this probably won't rot away like it did on the old mower, but we'll see how long the battery lasts. I think that's going to be the problem with it. You can adjust the height and all that stuff right here. You just boom. That's pretty slick, actually. So, grass doesn't need mowed today, but if I have any problems with it, I will let you know. Nice, comes with this 6 amp hour battery. I think one of those batteries is about half the cost of the mower. We'll see what happens, but hopefully we get some years out of this thing. And the 2 times that I have mowed, I do like it. But time will tell. Anyway, got any questions about it? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.